What's up? This is Patrick at Radicards, and today I was going to break another box of product for you today, but I got a bunch of mail. I think it's because it's backed up from the holidays. We just had Thanksgiving, so a stack of mail that I've been waiting for. Really no mail for the last like week and a half, but just want to do a mail day, so let's get to it here. Okay, so this is the 1997 Topps R&N China porcelain, well, it says ceramic, but I think they're actually porcelain cards. There it is right there. Frank Thomas. There's still like one or two of these that I need. 98, I think it's 98 Topps Hallbound has a porcelain one from the R&N. It's a very peculiar company. It's hard to find out really anything about this company that made these. But I guess this is a limited print run to 500. It's kind of cool. So there's that. This. All right. It's bent. Sometimes stuff gets bent in traffic transit when my only concern is that I don't know what did I get. Oh right, yeah, so this is the 1992 Ballstreet Journal. I don't know if you'd call this like a bookmark or a promotional. Obviously it's a promotional, but it's really just the order form. It's an order form is what it is here. So this is kind of cool. Back in like the early 90s, a lot of these companies were kind of creating promotionals to showcase players. Really hot stars back in the day. It's really kitschy, but this is kind of how things were done back then. When you wanted to get more information or subscribe, you could pay the, looks like I want such subscriptions to 92 Ballstreet at just $74.95 each. Wow, that's a lot of money. Only 4 easy installations of just $19.95 per subscription. So funny. That's kind of cool. I like that. I like when they say easy installations. I mean, doesn't really make any sense. Okay, so this is a 1990 Topps autographed rookie card of Frank Thomas. This is very inexpensive. Buy it now. I was really surprised. Actually, surprised nobody else got to this before I did. So I have quite a few of these autographed. I'm gonna do a PSA authentication submission at some point. This might be an earlier signature because he actually uses more than just the F and the T in his signature, which is something that Frank Thomas has been doing as of late. Just 2 letters and then a 35 next to it. So I like that there's actually some extra letters there. It's kind of nice. Alright, so I don't know if you have gone to my portfolio site. Well, anyway, I started collecting the, this is probably going to be an impossible task, but 1998 EX 2001 Essential Credentials Now. It's beautiful, translucent, see-through green parallels. They're numbered. The amount of serial numbering corresponds specifically to the card numbers. So this is just for the case for Essential Credentials Now. The future, it's the opposite. Al Martin, his Essential Credentials Now he's card number 50, so this card is actually serial number 250. These are really cool. I don't have very many of them, but I get them when they're, affordably priced. Actually, I'm waiting for a Ben Grieve it's been lost in transit, stuck in Stockton, California for the longest amount of time. Here's another one. This is Justin Thompson again. Card number 82, serial number 282. This is really nice to have these two in the collection. Inexpensive semi-stars. Okay, so I got this on eBay, and this is a 2000 Topps Tech Gold promo. I don't know if you call it promo or a proof or something, but it doesn't have the rounded corners like it should on opposing sides, and it doesn't have the serial number. These are kind of cool looking though, and go pretty well in my Topps Tech portfolio. So I can cut along the top here. I think I know what this is. Oh, I got damaged in the mail. That sucks. I mean, who packages a comic book in newspaper? It's ridiculous. So it's got a huge crease here now. That's kind of frustrating. I'm going to have to let the seller know to be more careful next time. I don't know a lot about this, but I've never seen it before. And it's presented by Subway, one of my favorite fast food joints. Great sandwiches. Features Magli Ordonez, Frank Thomas, Billy Koch, and Paul Canarco. So that's kind of cool. Irresponsible of the seller to package them quite that way. Just don't need to do that. Alright. So this gentleman was selling a bunch of really inexpensive boxes on eBay. I mean, I know inexpensive is sort of a relative term, subjective term, if you will. But, I mean, we're talking like a couple dollars a box. It's just so cheap. So I bought a few boxes. I really didn't spend that much money at all. I've got a 97 Donruss. Oh, right, yes. 97 Donruss team sets for the Seattle Mariners. So we'll be sure to break that one at some point. 91 Leaf Baseball Series 2 box. Oh, this is fun. It still has the old price tag on it too. This box was $3. 95 Sportflix Baseball. Sealed box. Really cool. And 91 Classic Best Minors. sealed box. I believe this is the one where you can get the Mike Schmidt autograph, but I don't quite know. So that's it for today. No Ben Grieve yet, unfortunately. That's too bad. Maybe he'll come in the mail tomorrow. Thank you again for watching another episode of Radicards TV. Until next time, enjoy collecting.